Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to read Peppa's Christmas Wish. So do like and subscribe our channel so that you don't miss our stories. It is a Christmas Eve and Peppa, George and their friends are aboard the Christmas elf train. Toot toot! They are on their way to Santa's workshop and everyone is very excited. Yay! They are going to meet Santa. So what happens next? Ho ho ho! Chuckles Santa Claus. I hope you have all been good. He makes a list of what everyone would like for Christmas. George would like a racing car. Peppa would like a doll. So everyone has given their wish to Santa. On Christmas Day, Peppa and her family eat the Christmas pudding. This is delicious, snorts Mummy Pig. I wonder what you wished for when you were making it, Peppa. It is time to open presents. George got a racing car. Vroom, vroom. But there is nothing under the tree for Peppa. Santa has forgotten me, Peppa says sadly. So Peppa is sad. Santa is on his way home in his sleigh. Suddenly, he spots something at the bottom of his sack. Oh no! Oh ho ho! Santa grasps. This is one last present to deliver. So Santa has got one present to deliver. Whose this present is? Santa tumbles down the chimney at Granny and Grandpa Pig's house. Here's your present, Peppa. He chuckles. My Christmas pudding with came true, Peppa cries. I wished that Santa would visit us on Christmas Day, and he has. Hooray for Santa! Peppa is so happy to see Santa, and he got his pudding. So, hope you liked the video. So, do like, share, and subscribe with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.